Hey you guys, what is up? It's Shundara and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Make sure you thumbs up this video and make sure you check out savvynaturalista.com for all your skincare needs. Also, make sure you guys are following me on all my social media sites. Today's video, we have the Trader Joe's Advent Calendar. I am so excited. I got it. I will be going in chronological order because I think that's the only order. I don't want to just surprise you guys because I'm not like that. I like to see 1 through 12. Don't be doing 1, 15, 20, then 30 and 40. So 12 days. This was $20. I will say this. I hope they have really good items for $20 and 12 days because I would have liked 30 days or 20 days, 25 days and $20. Trader Joe's. So let's see what you are working with. So we're going to open the first one, which is, here's number 1. Okay. So the first thing we got is oh my god. Lord help me. Okay, so the first thing we got is this cranberry cider shimmer body wash. It really doesn't smell like cranberries. It really does look like glitter. I'll probably use it, so I'll use it. Okay, so let's do number 2. Where's number 2? Okay, so this one is number 2. Oh my god, it's so hard to open. Why did they make this difficult for me to get my little fat hands in here? Okay, what is this? I didn't look at the back, so I don't know what was in it. I just seen Trader Joe's. I was on Instagram. I seen Trader Joe's had an advent calendar. I was like, oh, I gotta go buy it. I was so excited. So this one is shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. That is what it is. And it is 1 flow ounce of a 3-in-1. Let me smell it. It smells like man shampoo or like a very woodsy manly scent. Okay, so let's do number 3, you guys. This one is a little, I am not impressed so far. So far we got body wash, shampoo. I'm not impressed. I am not impressed. Oh my god, why is this so difficult to come out? Oh my god, Trader Joe's, really? This is difficult. Oh my god, I haven't seen any other video, so I hope people are having as hard of a time as I am trying to get this out. So this is their Trader Joe's coconut body butter. I should autofocus the camera, but I don't know if you guys want to hear it autofocus back and forth, so I'm not going to. But this is their coconut body butter, and it's 1 ounce. Oh, it smells good. This actually smells good. Okay, so let's do the next one. That was 3. Where's 4? Oh my god, I cannot see. Where's 4? 4 is right next to 3 up top. Oh, okay, so we got, this was the easiest thing to open. This is their winter citrus ultra moisturizing hand cream. Okay, so y'all know I need some hand cream. I am always ashy. Oh, I'm so excited for that. I'm not really seeing skincare yet. I thought this would be more of a skincare advent calendar, but it's a lot of bath and body stuff. This is a skincare channel, but I guess we can call this skincare bath and body channel. Now this is kind of funny, slight rant intermission of the advent calendar. I was going to get the Body Shop one, but it had a lot of bath and body products, and I'm like, this is a skincare channel. Would anyone want to see bath and body on this channel? And I'm like looking now, and I might as well got it because I was under the assumption this would be skincare advent calendar, but they are going like hotcakes. So if you haven't got you one, you better go get it. Look at this. What is going here? Another vanilla body butter. It is 1 ounce, and this is warm vanilla body butter. I don't like the scent. It's not my favorite scent, but if you like it, go ahead and get it. What else is next in this ever? Okay, that was 5. Okay, 6 looks big. Look at 6. It is huge. I hope it's huge. I'm already excited. 6 better be like mega. This already is. Look how big 6 was. Oh, it's a charcoal peel off face mask. Oh, It's 5 ounces. Oh, how cute. That's me being sarcastic for all. That's it. Okay, 6. Where's 7? Oh my God. These, why they couldn't make the numbers like either pink, red, orange where my eyes could see? I can't see these numbers, Trader Joe's. So this is 7 and this is their Enriched Moisturizing Face Lotion. Okay, and it has a SPF of 15 in it. It's sealed, so I'm not gonna open it and smell it, but yeah, this is it. Oh, I got some sunscreen. Thank you, Trader Joe's. I needed some sunscreen too. Oh, thank you. Y'all know I use all my sunscreen up, and when I use it up, then I wait periodic times before I buy it, so I'm almost out of sunscreen. So I'm so happy they had sunscreen in here, and this is actually 1 ounce. Thanks, Trader Joe's, for the sunscreen. Okay, what was that? 7? Where's 8? Oh my God. 8 is so tiny. Watch it be a lip balm. I bet money it's a lip balm. Oh, it's not a lip balm. It's a rose face oil. It's rose face oil. That's what it is. I'm not about to dig in there and try to take it out. It's just becoming too difficult for me to get my little grubby hands in these little boxes. Okay, that was 8. Where's 9? Okay, 9 looks big. This is 9. Y'all like, we can't see. Did you even open the advent calendar? Look at, I'm opening it for you guys so y'all can see. This is 9. Oh my God. This is so different. What is that? Can you guys see? What is that? Hold on, I'm gonna turn the light on. What is that? Can you guys see? What does that say? This is brown sugar body scrub. Okay, so now we're on 10 right here. Oh Lord. Oh, this is a blueberry acai. Acai, no, I used to call it acacia. It's acai, blueberry. I know y'all know, but I'm just saying for my reference, it's acai. But it's a blueberry acai facial scrub. Okay, come through. Come through, Trader Joe's. Okay, where is 11? Oh my God. A moisturizing pomegranate lip balm. Can y'all see that? That's the lip balm. Okay, guys, last but not least is 12. So let's open 12. Let's open her. What is this? What is this, candy? What is this? Okay, look at this. Is what it looks like. Is this candy? It's like, I don't know. What is this? This is number 12. What is number 12? What is number 12? This is an exfoliating sugar scrub. Cute. Okay. I am not impressed. I would have liked at least one full-size product. These are all 1 ounce products. They could at least put a little 2 ounce product in it. They gave us 50 million body scrubs and a face scrub. I mean, how many scrubs do we need, Trader Joe's? I mean, literally looking at the back of this, there is 1 scrub, 2 scrubs, body washes. I mean, I'm not really impressed. I feel like it was a repetitive of products with different scents. The pomegranate moisturizing lip balm and the rose oil, I am excited about. Because I like lip balm and I like rose oil, and I'm also excited about the SPF lotion. The charcoal peel off face mask I can do without. We've all tried charcoal peel off face mask. All in all, I personally am going to give, because I like bath and body stuff and I do like skincare items, because this is a skincare channel. I'm being repetitive, I know, but I am going to give this box, y'all gonna be mad, but I'm just gonna get a box 3 out of 5. I mean, I really want to give it a 2, but I'm trying to be nice so y'all don't dislike this video, so I would give this box a 3 out of 5. How? Because it was $20. This should have been $10. Though $10. This is a $10 box. $10, $10, $10. Not $20. I can't believe they charged us $20 for this box. This is overpriced, in my opinion. With that being said, you know, I guess you could, I don't know, are y'all gonna use it? I guess, you know, if you're like me and you use all your skincare products or all your lotions and you be scraping the bottle of the lotion and you may cut off the bottle of your lotion just to scrape it all out, then because you don't want to go buy no more yet, then you can move on to your body butters or lotions. They're cute travel sizes, but I would have liked more of a full-size product, especially for $20 Trader Joe's, and you only gave us 12 days. No bueno. No bueno, Trader Joe's. Okay? With that being said, you guys, I really hope you enjoyed the unboxing of this advent calendar. Let me know, have you got it? I mean, now seeing it, I'm happy I got it, but now seeing it and reviewing it, I don't think it's worth your time, except if you really love skincare and you love to try new body butters from Trader Joe's and you're a fan of Trader Joe's, then you may want to go buy it. But other than that, I don't think it's, oh my God, I cannot believe I didn't get it. Oh my God, it's sold out. It's not that big of a deal. With that being said, you guys, I want to thank you so much for watching this channel. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Make sure you're following me on all my social media sites. Make sure you thumbs up this video, and I'll see you in our next video. I love you so much. Bye, you guys. Mwah.